Metal stamping technologies. This video provides an in-depth technical analysis of metal stamping technologies, equipment, and production methods. What is metal stamping? Smart manufacturing and IoT integration. Types of stamping technologies: servo, hydraulic, mechanical, CNC, deep-drawn stamping, and Fourslide stamping. Stamping die design, metal selection, and finishing. Chapter 1. What is metal stamping? Chapter 2. The Internet of Things in Metal Stamping. Real-time machine monitoring. Machine longevity and productivity. Chapter 3. Types of metal stamping technologies. Comparison of metal stamping press technologies. Computer numerical control. Mechanical servo. Hydraulic and mechanical flywheel presses. Chapter 4. Deep-drawn stamping. Key applications include automotive oil pans, filter shells, medical enclosures, cookware, and solenoids. Chapter 5. Basics of metal stamping operations. Stamping encompasses several foundational metal shearing and forming techniques. Core metal stamping operations. Chapter 6. Progressive and transfer die stamping. Chapter 7. Fourslide stamping. Frequently asked questions. What is metal stamping and how does it work? What are the primary types of metal stamping presses? What is the difference between progressive die stamping and transfer die stamping? What is fine blanking in metal stamping? How is IoT used in modern metal stamping manufacturing? Which metals are best suited for metal stamping? Chapter 8. Stamping dies and tooling. Chapter 9. Metals for metal stamping. Alloy selection depends on formability, tensile strength, weldability, and corrosion needs. Carbon steel and HSLA. Coated steel. Stainless steel. Aluminum alloys. Copper, brass, and bronze. Chapter 10. Secondary finishing processes. Chapter 11. Industrial applications. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right metal stamping manufacturers for your needs.